This is the continuation lesson. I am doing a trigonometrical ratio from Shelina Publishers book Concise Mathematics. See sum number 15. If 5 cot theta equal to 12, find the value of cosec theta plus sec theta. So cot theta equal to 5 will go down, that is 12 by 5, that is cot theta base by perpendicular. So base is 12 and perpendicular is 5. So you see x, if you consider this one, then x square equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Now you will get here after calculation you will get 13. Now base, perpendicular and hypotenuse you have got. So if you get this base, perpendicular and hypotenuse, see this one cosec, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular, sec, that is hypotenuse by base. So this hypotenuse here, this value you put hypotenuse value here, perpendicular is 5, you put the perpendicular value here. So like this you will get this and put it there and do the calculation. 5 and 12, that is 60. So 12 into 13 here, 5 into 13 here. Then do the calculation and get answer. So this is sum number 12. Actually here you should consider one variable. Here 5k, then 12k, because few teacher they like this constant considering. So you should also say here also 1 k square will come, here also 1 k square will come, then this k square you can take common front, this k square will be there front, here also k square, so it will be 13k. So here also 13k. So here everywhere you put 1 kk, here 13k by 12k, 13k by 12k, then kk cancel, after that all will be equal. This sum you see, it is same, tan x equal to, this is 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So tan equal to perpendicular by base, so perpendicular you consider for capital X you consider, because angle is small x, you consider capital X, and base is 3x, you consider 3 capital X here. Then hypotenuse, if you write hypotenuse equal to base square plus perpendicular square, then you will get the value of hypotenuse 5x. Now sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos is base by hypotenuse, put the value and calculate, you will get this answer. Then sum number 17, cosec theta equal to root over 5. Root over 5 means 5 by 1. Now cosec formula is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Now you consider root 5k and 1k. Hypotenuse you consider this root 5k and perpendicular you consider 1k. So base square equal to perpendicular hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So it is coming 4k square means 2k. So you take this first sum here, you copy it, and sine equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this value you put, cos equal to base by hypotenuse, you put, kk already cancel, root 5 whole square means 5, root 5 whole square means 5, and 2 square means 4. So you take LCM now. So 5 to the 10 coming here, then you do the calculation and this is the answer. Similarly 17 part 2, see up to this I have done, and next part you can do, that's why the answer part I did not do. Here sec a equal to root over 2, that means root over 2 by 1. Now sec means hypotenuse by base, so hypotenuse you consider root over 2k and base you consider 1k. Then Pythagoras theorem apply, this square minus this square, root over of, it will be perpendicular, so it is coming 1k. So cos means base by hypotenuse, tan means perpendicular by base, tan means perpendicular by base, sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here from here you take the value and put kk cancel, so the remaining one you do the calculation and get answer. That's all for this video.